Hey, buddy.
Hey, Z, you ready to eat?
You can turn the screen so you can look at us. Hey?
Oh, not digging the Nana, huh?
Well, I think he's just not sure yet. Hey. Are you still coughing something up? Huh?
It's not milk, is it?
No, it's not.
You not liking the Nana?
Oh, buddy. That's an awful face. It can't be that bad. You're not sure what it is, are you? It's probably a funny texture, too. Can you get it off your lip? There.
Is it good?
Nice drool. Well, not as bad of a face. Yeah, you licking it off your lips?
Mmm.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, now you're getting it.
Mmm. Say mmm. Mmm. Yummy.
You can swallow it.
Yum. Mmm.
He still has that face. It's like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I'm going to try
it. You're doing awesome trying.
it. You can swallow it, buddy. Swallow it. You're not sure how to swallow anything that's not milk, huh? Oh.
Mmm.
Whoa.
Oh no.
On your nose. Hey, buddy. You like the taste, you're just not sure what to do, huh?
Get in it, buddy. That was cute. Is it yummy? Yummy! Yummy! Mmm, you got it now. You know what to do. Uh-oh.
Oops. So you're not sure about having that chunk in your mouth, huh? Say, when he gets curdles, he spits them out.
Mmm. Mmm. Say, mmm.
Yummy.
Yum, yum.
Well, you're tasting it. It's not the taste, is it? It's just when you get a piece in your mouth. He's trying to go get it. Hey, buddy. They are kind of slimy, aren't they? It is a little slimy, isn't it? Whoa!
Is it good?
Where are you going? You
Yeah,
trying to grab it now?
wow. Yeah, get your little hand in there. Get you a bite. Mmm.
He does not like that texture, huh? trying to help. There you go. Whoa, dive bomber. Dive bomber eating.
Is it yummy? Zeke, you want the whole banana? Bless my
Bless
baby.
you. Whoa.
Is it yummy?
So I
Yum.
just can't swallow it. Those chunks yet. Don't know that I'm supposed to.
Say yummy. Yummy, Nana. Mmm.
Whoa. You want some more? You want to taste it?
Are you going face first?
I know. Yeah, is that all you want for now?
We'll try again later.
Okay.
Good job, Zeke.